Hi everybody, Jennings here with Pond Megastore, and today we have a very important topic to talk about, our Alive Arrive guarantee. When we're talking about shipping live creatures and plants, we want to make sure that everything arrives to you ready to go, and to make sure that once you receive your plants or creatures, that you handle them properly as they arrive. If anything arrives to you that seems less than proper or less than satisfactory, you can send a text to our business line or send an email ASAP to make sure it is handled. It is very important that you reach out to us within the first 24 hours of receiving and opening your packages so that we can help you out as soon as possible and document these issues. However, if a plant arrives with a broken stem or a damaged leaf, that's something that we shouldn't have to worry about too much, since plants do cycle through their stems and leaves continuously through the year. But even small issues like this can be photographed and sent to us so that we make sure everything is as it should be. Unfortunately, within that 24-hour window, if you choose to not let us know about something that you have noticed right away, then we cannot offer you the extended guarantee. This is why it's very important to hit the Contact Us button on the website or email us as soon as you find an issue so that we can document it and have it fixed right away. We try to make it as clear as possible, our Arrive Alive guarantee on our website, when you go to purchase your items, so that we have an agreement. We simply have too many unopened and uncared for packages, as well as misplanted plants that arrive, have issues, and that are not reported to us. This is why it is very important that you let us know as soon as possible, because we are dealing with live plants and live animals. If you can let us know again within that first 24-hour period that something has gone on, we can document it and make sure that everything is handled. The next most important thing is that we prepare for these plants and animals before they actually arrive. We have very detailed videos and instructions on the website for you to be ready to do so once they arrive. Not planting the plants at all or planting them in stones will carry no guarantee, as this is something that on many of our videos and in our instructions we suggest not to do. Now, something that is important is that sometimes your plants might arrive totally good to go, but after some time, if you realize that they're starting to look a little sickly or a little concerning, make sure you give us a call. Whether it's a week, a month, doesn't matter. We want to make sure that we can help you out with the health of your plants as much as possible, because if we work together as a team, we can save your plants rather than letting them perish while questioning what's going on with them. Believe it or not, some customers choose not to contact us until the plant has already died. At this point, it does neither of us any good and we can't help out whatsoever. The guarantee will not cover you at this point. We want to help you have a successful and beautiful water garden, and we are here to help answer any and all questions. You reach out to us, let us know at the first sight of anything concerning, and we can handle it as a team. It's very important that you check out our preparation and planting guide to make sure that you know how to acclimate your plants in shade for 3 days before planting them, and to make sure you know how to keep your water lilies wet from the roots, the stem, all the way up to the underside of the leaf before properly planting them in your pond or water garden. Make sure you check out our policies before you make your purchase. Thank you all so much for watching this video with us today. We appreciate you all staying in contact with us just as much as we appreciate you wanting to appreciate a beautiful water garden. As always, if you have any questions, please make sure to leave them in the comments down below, email us, or check out our website, www.pondmegastore.com. Thank you guys so much for being with us, and have a wonderful rest of your day.